Our application process has now moved to an online portal called Gate Front Office. This mini tutorial will show you step by step on how to submit an application and confirm submission. Currently, the Community Initiatives Program Operating and the Community Facility Enhancement Program Small have transitioned to the front office portal for this process. By this point, you may already be familiar with or have already completed the following. If you haven't, or if you need help, please watch our previous mini tutorial videos for guidance. First, start by visiting the Gatefront Office webpage. This web address can be found in the email containing your login credentials. Once you arrive at the front office login screen, you will need to select Login and enter your login credentials. Once you have logged in, you will arrive at the home screen. My Work should already be selected, but in case it is not, select My Work from the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Now scroll down to the Recent Submissions section and select the application that is in progress. This is the application you have previously started and are now coming back to either complete the application or now submit the application. This will open up the application form. To submit the application, start by clicking Submission Summary in the bottom left corner. This will bring you to the Submission Summary page. This page summarizes all the previous pages you have completed and represents your application for funding. To be able to submit your application, you will need to see check marks in the Complete column for all the mandatory pages. You will also see this indicated in the application menu identified with green check marks. If any of these pages have an X in the Complete column or the main menu, that indicates something was missed on that page and needs to be addressed before you can submit. Now, before you submit, you can save a copy of your complete application to keep for your records. Just click on Export to PDF located in the upper right corner, and a PDF version of your application will be available to download. When you have check marks by all the mandatory documents and you're ready to submit, click on Submit in the top right corner. After submitting your application, return to the My Work homepage, and under the Recent Submission section, you will see that your application status has changed to Complete in green. Please keep in mind that there is a 6-month review period from the application intake date. For example, if you submitted your CFEP application for the January 15 intake, you would receive notification on the outcome in July. During the review period, you may be asked for further clarification on your application. This concludes the mini tutorial on how to submit an application in Front Office. If you have any questions about Front Office or our programs, you can call Community Grants at 1-800-642-3855, or you can email communitygrants@gov.ab.ca.